Senator Amy nais masuspindi muna ang Pogo pero ayaw nito sa total ban. Nagbabalik si Raymond Tinaza.
Naniniwala si Senator Amy Marcos na dapat suspendihin muna pansamantala ang Pogo operations sa bansa. Sinabi ni Senator Marcos, pagkataon nito para ayusin ng PAGCOR ang sistema ng regulasyon sa mga Pogo. Sa harap ito ng mga naitalang kriminalidad na may kinalaman sa Pogo operations, lalo na sa mga ni-raid na hubs sa Bamban, Tarlac at Porac, Pampanga. Ayon kay Marcos, kabilang sa dapat suspindihin ang pagproseso ng mga bagong aplikasyon ng permita sa Pogo habang hindi pa naayos ang sistema. Hindi raw kasi justified ang kinikita mula sa Pogo sa dulot nitong perwisyo at kahihiyan sa bansa dahil sa mga nangyayaring krimen. Sa kabila ng hirit na suspensyon, inihayag naman ni Marcos na hindi siya pabor sa mga panukalang total ban ng Pogo sa bansa.
Hindi ako tutol sa Pogo o sa anumang
Nasabat ng otoridad sa Cebu ang dalawang larawan ng hinihinalang may-ari ng Pogo na ni-raid sa Lapu-Lapu City kasama sina Vice President Sara Duterte at Senator Amy Marcos. Sa mga larawang eksklusibong nakuha ng Billionaire News Channel, makikitang katabi ng Chinese national na si Zhao Lao, si Duterte at Marcos. Tila kuha sa iisang okasyon ng dalawang litrato dahil pareho lang ang suot na damit ni Lao sa mga ito. Nadakip si Lao noong Sabado sa raid ng iligal na Pogo sa Tourist Garden Hotel sa Lapu-Lapu City. Siya ang itinuturong may-ari ng Pogo kung saan na-rescue ang nasa mahigit 160 banyagang manggagawa.
This is the Tourist Garden Hotel in Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. A new battleground in the government's crackdown on illegal pogos. The resort's owner, Chinese national Zhao Lao, was among those arrested in the operation over the weekend. PAOK says Zhao tried to wiggle his way out by attempting to bribe its spokesperson, Winston Casio. Lao cannot speak any English, so the negotiation was done through his 17-year-old granddaughter, who also acted as his interpreter.
Didn't we have another way to fix this problem?
There's nothing that we can do, but just wait for the process to proceed.
Casio confirmed the bribery attempt when he spoke to BNCs at the forefront on Monday.
This guy is obviously guilty. He has already attempted to bribe me 3 times as of last night. He made his third attempt to bribe me to allow to just let him go. So obviously this guy is caught red-handed. And 4, if I'm not mistaken, 4 different Chinese managers, team leaders, were caught in this particular operation.
Numerous cell phones used for various scams and a script that the Pogo workers used to entice their victims were among those seized by authorities. There were other intriguing items found inside the Tourist Garden Hotel. BNC was able to obtain this picture of Vice President Sara Duterte with Zhao and his son. Another picture shows Duterte's ally, Senator Amy.
Yung Pogo na yan, insofar kami dito, malinis yan, malinis yan, malinis yan, malinis yan.
Effective today, all Pogos are banned.